Hiya, how you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, open the next Sophie and Toffee box! Yay! Sorry, I was going to do this one with some bezels because I've not done bezels on as a video yet, so I was going to have a go at doing some bezels. Pick some bezels out, and then look what came today. So I'm going to put those aside and we'll do those for another video. Let me just lift you up a bit because you're going to be a bit close. Sorry. There you go. Hopefully that. I've got a new setup, so I'm hoping this will be right. Let's see. There we go. Our new Sophie and Toffee box. This came today. I've got a little bit of disaster there, but I think the people at Royal Mail are struggling at the moment. Or, well, no, this came through FedEx or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, here we go. Yay! Japanese wind chimes mold making box. Oh, these look so cute. I'll have a quick flip through. Yay! There's a quick sneak preview of what we got. Not that you can make out much on there, but oh, pretty meanings. Oh, cool. That'd be good to look at. And references. Yay. Cool. Okay, so we've got the mold making liquids. You get quite a lot. It's a two-part mold making. Doesn't tell you how much, but they're heavy. So 1-to-1. Nope. Doesn't tell you how much. Maybe it does in the bottles. We'll have a look at that later. Okay, so we get, I think these are colorants for the molds, but I'll probably be doing them clear. I believe. Oh, sorry about the crinkling. I normally do a voiceover, but I'm doing my video late this week because I had a bit of a full-on week. A bit of a fun week, so please excuse the crinklings. Okay, these are like cookie mold cookie cutters, sorry, but they're for sticking down on the paper, and then you put your something inside, and then you pull the you know what I'm talking about. I'll show you at some point for sure, but there's all different shapes, and they're gonna come in handy for all sorts. They're quite good quality. They're not flimsy or anything, you know, they're quite sturdy, so that's good. Right, here we go. Okay, so these are the pieces for you to make the molds make the molds of. So they look wicked, and it tells you all the, you know, what they are and things like that in the book. So they're quite, yeah, they're all right. Nice and sturdy. I know some of them have got like a film on them that you need to take off before you use them. Oh, looking forward to that one. That's pretty. And a lot of these you can use as our brain doesn't want to work. Is there any wonder? At the moment, I've had a week of it this week, but you know. And that I believe goes with the fan, which is this one. Right, come on, brain work. What do we use these for? We use these for shakers. That's it. And got the ghost. Cool. I think that one's the kitty. And then that's the token of some kind. And then you've got the mountains. But I'll have a proper look in the book. Let's have a look. What else have we got? Oh, we've got... Right, so we have the stickers. Not sure if they're stickers or if they're could be stickers, but they go inside the pieces once you've made them out of resin. And here we go. These are for the pieces that you make of shape. I don't know if you can see that properly, but they're shaped for you, so you can cut around them. You don't have to guess or draw or anything else either. They're specifically shaped for the mould, so that's cool. And then this is sticky pack plastic that you put these on, and then you put your pieces inside them. The specific ones for specific ones, so I'm assuming that will be that one. There we go. And then you pour your mould making solution into that, and then you have your mould. So yeah, this looks wicked. I can't wait to do this. Let's have a proper look through the through this and check that I've... Oh, it's design film, holographic design film. Oh, cool. So that's going to be nice. Yeah, we've got pre-cut out. Here we go, pre-cut out design film for shakers. That's right. And then we've got meanings. So top left, bring luck, love, luck, excel in studies, protection of all sorts. Oh, excellent, very good, good and lucky, prosperity, longevity, victory and luck. That's cool. Yeah, so that's the box. Okay, thank you, and remember to subscribe. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.